Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. We're delighted to see you again.
Hi, everyone. We are back and we are ready to have some fun today. Literally, because we are talking about fun.
That is right. Today's topic is the number one thing people talk about when they first meet. We are talking about hobbies.
Hobbies, the things we do when we are not working, not sleeping, and not cleaning the house. The fun stuff.
Exactly. Asking, what are your hobbies, is a great way to make friends. But can we be honest? What are your hobbies sounds a little bit formal, doesn't it?
It does. It sounds like a job interview. Please list your hobbies and skills. It makes me nervous. I feel like I have to say something smart, like reading philosophy or playing chess.
And we don't want you to be nervous. We want you to sound cool, relaxed, and natural. So today, our goal is very specific. We are going to teach you the natural, native ways to talk about what you love to do.
By the end of this video, you will be able to easily say things like, I'm really into hiking, or I only dabble in photography.
Or even, I am a total couch potato. We'll teach you that one too.
That is my favorite one.
So, if you are ready to turn your free time into English learning time, hit that subscribe button right now.
And if you have a hobby, hit the like button.
Let's start with the basics. The time when you do hobbies is called free time or spare time.
Spare time, like a spare tire in your car?
Exactly. It's the extra time you have. You might hear people say, "What do you do in your spare time?"
That flows very nicely. What do you do in your spare time? It sounds polite.
It is polite, but my favorite way to ask and the most common way friends talk is simply, "What do you do for fun?"
What do you do for fun? This is the best one. It is open and friendly. You can say anything. I play tennis. I sleep. I eat pizza.
Let's practice asking that perfectly. I want you to repeat after me. First, we'll do the slow version so you get every sound. Then, the fast native version.
Ooh, speed training. I like it.
Slow. What do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
Now, the fast native version. Squish the words together. It sounds like whatcha. What you do for fun?
What you do for fun?
See? It sounds much more natural. It flows. Now, how do we answer? You can say, I like playing tennis. That is correct grammar, but native speakers often use the phrase, I'm into.
I'm into tennis. I'm into cooking.
This means you are interested in it. It suggests you enjoy it. I'm really into photography right now.
I'm really into video games. That is the story of my life.
Now, if you like something a lot, you can say, I'm a huge fan of.
I'm a huge fan of horror movies. I'm a huge fan of Italian food.
Or, if you're completely crazy about it, you can say, I'm obsessed with.
Obsessed. That's a strong word. It means you think about it all the time. You dream about it. I am obsessed with this new TV show.
Be careful with obsessed. Only use it for things you really love. Let's practice the pronunciation here because the rhythm is important. Repeat after me. Slow. I am really into hiking.
I am really into hiking.
Fast. I'm really into hiking.
I'm really into hiking.
Good. Now let's try the strong one. Slow. I am obsessed with English.
I am obsessed with English.
Fast. I'm obsessed with English.
I'm obsessed with English.
Perfect. Now, I want to take a quick pause to give you a reminder of our goal today.
Yes, quick goal check.
Remember, by the end of this video, we want you to be able to talk about your life naturally. We're ditching the textbook robot voice. We don't want you to sound like a list. We want you to sound like a person.
Exactly. No robots allowed, just a real conversation.
So let's keep going. Sometimes you start a new hobby. We have a specific phrasal verb for this. We say, take up.
Take up. Does that mean lifting something?
No, it means to start doing a new activity regularly. I decided to take up painting.
I want to take up guitar, but I have small hands, so it is difficult.
You know, I actually decided to take up salsa dancing last year.
Really? Rose, the salsa dancer? How did that go?
Ideally, it would have been graceful. In reality, it was a disaster. I stepped on my partner's feet about 50 times.
Ouch, poor partner. Did you keep doing it?
No, I had to give up.
Ah, give up. That is the opposite of take up. It means to quit.
Exactly. I gave up salsa dancing because I have 2 left feet.
2 left feet. That is a great idiom. It means you are bad at dancing.
I am terrible, so I gave it up. I gave up jogging because my knees hurt.
I gave up cooking because I burned the kitchen.
So take up means start and give up means stop. Now, sometimes you don't do a hobby seriously. You just do it a little bit. You try it. We say you dabble in it.
Dabble in. That is a funny word. Dabble. It sounds like a duck splashing in water.
That is actually where the word comes from. To dabble means to do something casually. You're not a professional. I dabble in painting.
It means you paint, but you are not Picasso. You are just having fun.
Exactly. I dabble in writing poetry. It means I write poems, but I don't publish them.
I dabble in singing, but only in the shower when the neighbors are not home.
That is probably for the best, Sam. Let's do a quick pronunciation check on dabble. Repeat after me. I dabble in photography.
I dabble in photography.
Nice. Now let's talk about why we do hobbies. Usually it's to relax. We say to unwind.
Unwind, like a clock that is wound up too tight. You need to spin back and relax.
Yes. After a long day at work, you're stressed. You need to unwind. Reading helps me unwind.
Playing games helps me unwind.
Or we say to kill time.
To kill time. This sounds violent. Poor time.
It just means to make time pass quickly, usually when you're waiting. I play games on my phone to kill time at the airport.
Ah, I see. I read magazines to kill time at the dentist.
Exactly. Now, I know we're teaching you a lot of new vocabulary today. Take up, dabble, unwind, it's a lot.
My brain is getting full.
Don't stress. You don't need to memorize every single word today. Just pick 2 or 3 phrases that you like and use those.
That is good advice. Just pick your favorites.
Let's talk about different types of hobbies. We have active hobbies, the sweaty ones.
Gym, running, swimming, hiking.
If you love the gym, you can call yourself a gym rat.
A gym rat? That sounds a bit dirty.
No, it's a fun slang term. It means you are always at the gym. You live there. He's a total gym rat.
Okay, I am definitely not a gym rat. I'm more of a pizza rat.
Then we have creative hobbies, painting, writing, and knitting. If you like fixing things, we call you handy.
He's very handy. That means he can fix the sink or build a table.
And then we have outdoorsy people.
Outdoorsy, people who like camping, fishing, and climbing trees.
Are you an outdoorsy person, Sam?
No, I'm an indoorsy person. I prefer the sofa.
We usually call that a homebody.
A homebody. Yes, that's me. I like my house. I like my Wi-Fi. I'm a homebody.
There is nothing wrong with that. A popular indoor hobby is binge watching.
Binge watching. This is the sport of champions. It means watching 10 episodes of a TV show in one day.
I binge watched the whole season yesterday. It's very common now.
It's my special skill. I can binge watch anything.
And finally, we have guilty pleasures.
Ooh, guilty pleasures. This sounds scandalous.
A guilty pleasure is something you enjoy, but maybe you're a little bit embarrassed about it. Maybe it's silly or childish or not cool.
Like listening to cheesy pop music from the 90s?
Yes, or watching reality TV shows about people fighting on islands.
Hey, that is high quality entertainment. But yes, that is a guilty pleasure.
Let's practice a few of these descriptive phrases. Repeat after me. Slow. Cooking helps me unwind.
Cooking helps me unwind.
Fast. Cooking helps me unwind.
Cooking helps me unwind.
Slow. I admit reality TV is my guilty pleasure.
I admit reality TV is my guilty pleasure.
Fast. I admit reality TV is my guilty pleasure.
I admit, reality TV is my guilty pleasure.
You are getting good at this. Now, we have all the vocabulary. We need to see it in action.
Yes, let's put these words into real mouths. Role play time.
We're going to do 3 scenes. In scene 1, we are meeting for the first time at a party. We're making small talk.
Okay, party mode on. I am holding a plastic cup of juice.
Hi, I'm Rose. I don't think we've met.
Hey Rose, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. Great party, right?
It is. So Sam, what do you do for fun?
Oh, you know, the usual. I watch movies and hang out with friends. What about you? What are you into?
I'm really into pottery lately. I take a class every Saturday.
Pottery? That is so cool. Like making bowls and mugs?
Exactly. It's messy, but it really helps me unwind after a busy week. You should try it.
I don't know. I'm not very artistic. I'm more of a gym rat. I spend my free time lifting heavy things.
Hey, that's a hobby too. Maybe you can lift the heavy clay for me.
I can definitely do that. End scene 1. Smooth. I offered to lift the clay. Chivalry is not dead.
Very smooth. Did you notice the recycling? We used what do you do for fun, what are you into, unwind, and gym rat.
It felt very natural, just an easy conversation.
That is the goal. Now, scene 2. I'm trying to convince you to start a new hobby.
I am lazy Sam. Convince me.
Sam, you need to get off the sofa. You've been binge watching that show for 3 days.
But it's so good, and I'm just killing time until dinner.
You are wasting time. You should take up a new hobby, something active.
Like what? Running? I tried running once. I almost died.
What about hiking? We could go to the mountains, fresh air, nature.
I'm not really an outdoorsy person, Rose. There are bugs outside and bears.
There are no bears in the city park, Sam. Come on, just dabble in it. Try it once. If you hate it, you can give it up.
Fine, one hike. But if a bear eats me, I'm blaming you. End scene 2. I am genuinely scared of bears. It is a rational fear.
There are no bears in the city park, Sam. We recycled binge watching, take up, outdoorsy, dabble, and give up.
I liked dabble. It sounds low pressure. Just try it.
Exactly. Now, scene 3. This is the obsession scene. You're obsessed with something weird.
Weird obsession. Okay, I have just the thing.
Sam, what is all this stuff on your table?
Oh, haven't I told you? I'm a huge fan of collecting vintage spoons.
Spoons? Like for soup?
Not just for soup. Teaspoons, serving spoons, silver spoons. I'm obsessed with them. Look at this one. It's from 1920.
Wow, that is specific. How did you get into spoon collecting?
I found one at a flea market and I just fell in love. Now I hunch for them every weekend. It's my new thing.
Well, at least it's a quiet hobby. It's better than learning the drums.
True. And if we ever have a lot of soup, I am ready.
So, I think I made spoon collecting sound cool.
You almost did. We used I'm a huge fan of, obsessed with, and get into.
Get into is another good one. How did you get into that? Means how did you start liking that?
Yes, it is a great question to ask when someone has a unique hobby. Now, Rose, before we do the speed round, I want to talk about one big mistake I hear learners make with hobbies.
Oh, this is a great point.
This is our safety tip for today.
Yes, a lot of students say, I practice swimming or I practice football.
Ah, yes. In English, we don't usually say practice for doing a hobby. Practice means you are training to get better, like doing drills.
Right. If you go to the pool for fun, don't say I practice swimming. Just say I go swimming or I swim.
And don't say I practice tennis unless you're hitting the ball against the wall for an hour. Say I play tennis.
So ditch the word practice when you are just having fun. Just say I do it, I play it, or I go.
Excellent tip. Now, are you fast enough to remember everything else?
Oh no, it is time. The speed round.
It is time. I will say the definition or the situation and you shout the word. Ready?
I am stretched and ready. Let's go.
The time when you are not working.
Free time or spare time.
A phrase meaning I'm interested in this.
I'm into it.
To start a new hobby.
Take up.
To stop a hobby.
Give up.
To do a hobby just a little bit, not seriously.
Dabble.
A person who loves staying home.
Homebody.
A person who spends all day at the gym.
Gym rat.
Watching many episodes of TV in one go.
Binge watching.
Something you love but are embarrassed about.
Guilty pleasure.
To relax after stress.
Unwind.
To make time pass quickly while waiting.
Kill time.
A very strong word for liking something too much.
Obsessed.
Wow, you were on fire today.
I am sweating. Being a vocab rat is hard work.
A vocab rat? I don't think that is a phrase, Sam.
I am making it a phrase. It means someone obsessed with vocabulary.
I like it. If you are a vocab rat, give this video a thumbs up.
Now, we need to ask the audience the big question, but today we want you to do something specific.
Yes, we are going to ask you a question. We want you to pause the video, speak your answer out loud to the room, and then write it in the comments.
Say it, then write it. Here is the question. What is a hobby that you are into right now?
Or tell us your guilty pleasure. Do you watch cartoons? Do you collect spoons? Be specific.
Pause the video right now. 3, 2, 1. Say it.
Okay, did you say it? Now write it down below.
We can't wait to read them. Maybe I'll find a spoon buddy.
Thank you so much for joining us today. You guys are the best.
Keep practicing, keep unwinding, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.